Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Shopify. Today we are going to learn how to create a product in Shopify admin API using Node.js. So those who haven't following my videos and haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Today we are going to learn how to create product in the Shopify admin using Node.js. Let's get started. So those who haven't watched my previous video, because it is the continuation of the previous one, to how to set the Node.js, how to set up the API calls and everything. So you have to watch the previous video. So this one you have to watch that one, so you come to know about the next step. Okay, so this is the create product API that I have created. So here you need to pass the title, body, vendor, product type. So images you need to pass it over here. So I need to just if it is not there, let me add some of the images. Okay, if it is image is not there, let me go and check some of the images. It's not there, right? So let me go to the images and find some of the images. Okay, clothing, I will see any of the clothing image. So t-shirt, you can see t-shirt, I will find the image of that one. So images, we will go with this one. Let's open this image in a new tab and let me copy this and I'm going to add it over here. Okay, let's add it and let's word wrap this. Okay, so images we have added. Okay, variants, price, SKU, inventory management we have added. Okay, meanwhile you can add multiple as product as you need, so make an array of object like this. Okay, and then in the create product, Shopify product dot create product data you need to send, then product created successfully. If something goes wrong, it will go to the error creating the product. Okay, this is done. Okay, let's create this. Let's call the function to create a product. Okay, save this. Let's go to the terminal and let's run this one. Okay, so here we go, node app.js, and here you can see the product is created successfully, right? So here we have the full-fledged data. So product created successfully with the data, sample product, everything. Let's go to the admin and let's check each and everything is there or not. So here we go with the three products right currently. Let's check the another product which we have added. So here you can see that the sample product with the t-shirt is there. Okay, so here you can see that the data which we have added is a sample product. This is the image and everything. You can see that sample vendor, everything is there, price. Okay, so this is how you are able to create a product in the Shopify admin using the Node.js. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. In the next video we are going to learn how to update a product. Okay, so let's see in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.